Escueta before entering the Mall of Asia Arena, and he told me that this first game might be a little jittery because it's their first game in the NCAA in a while, but that hasn't turned out to be the case, Prince. They look like a well-oiled machine from the jump.
Kanina nga, again, nabanggit mo na nagkita kayo. Nakasalubong ko siya kanina na good luck, coach. Good luck po sa game mamaya. Ang nabanggit lang niya sa akin, sana manalo kami. Siyempre, ako, nung sinabi niya yun sa akin, parang, coach, Sanbeda ka eh. Diba? And again, makikita naman natin kung paano sila mag-run ngayon. Kailangan lang talaga ng LPU iparamdam sa kanila yung presence nila sa loob.
Bravo. Misses. 3 white shirts surrounding him. And he is smothered underneath.
Again, suffocating defense. Yan yung dapat sila yung gumagawa.
Just from the eye test, Prince, it's as if Sanbeda, yung wingspan ng mga players nila is longer compared to last year's lineup.
Yes. I think hindi lang sa kanila eh. I think yung generation ngayon. Kung titignan mo kahit saan halos na sport, yung mga athletes natin ngayon, iba yung build nila. Iba na yung build nila compare mo dun sa build dati. Parang mas matatangkad, mas slender, mas athletic yung mga athletes.
Meanwhile, Renz Villegas knocks down a triple. So one of the lone bright spots so far here for the LPU Pirates. Kalimag. Songkuya. Kalimag. Missing on that triple try. Balik ang bola dito kay Villegas. Crossover. Villegas is able to draw a foul.
Alam mo, mahirap gawin yun. Yung galing ka sa downhill attack, tapos biglang change of direction.
Let's get an update at courtside once again as we welcome back to the broadcast, Christine San Agustin.
It's a buy two, take one kind of deal for the holy trinity of rookies sa Sanbeda na sila Bryce Ahonia at ang Kalimag brothers na sila RC at Richie. Kwento kasi nila parang meant to be talaga ang sabay-sabay nilang pagpunta sa Sanbeda dahil perfect combination ang kanilang pagsasama-sama. Kwento kasi ng Kalimag brothers, hindi daw talaga maiwasan ang away magkapatid even sa hardcourt. Kaya naman laging to the rescue ang kanilang pseudo kuya na si Bry para maging middleman sa kanilang mga tampuhan. So let's see how this dynamic and this trinity will work out for Sanbeda. Prince, sounds familiar ba ang kwento at experience na to? Please let me know. Back to you guys.
Oh yes, very. Hindi ka nagkakamali. Habang kinikwento mo nga sa amin kanina, napapangiti ako kay Anton. Naaalala ko yung moments namin magkakapatid dito. Magiging part talaga yan. Siyempre magkakapatid kayo, competitive. Sobrang competitive. Minsan mag-aaway na kayo, pero at the end of the day, pagtatawanan nyo na lang talaga eh. Kasi nag-i-improve naman kayo at the same time.
So kung si Brian ang peacemaker sa Kalimag brothers, sino ang peacemaker sa Rivero brothers?
Ayoko sabihin ako eh. Kasi minsan, iba-iba eh. Competitive kasi kami pare-parehas eh. Minsan wala talagang peace. Only violence, hindi, joke lang.
Baka si Jello yung nagiging peacemaker, hindi rin?
Hindi, yung mom ko. Yung peacemaker.
Okay.
Yung mom ko. Shout out sa mom ko ngayon na nanonood. It's the wife ko, syempre.
Meanwhile, Royo pulls up and connects from the elbow. Aaron Royo, sophomore guard, one of 8 holdovers, 8 champion Red Lions. Oh, finally, a much-needed triple by Barba.
14 points. Yan yung dapat nilang gawin. I-limit nila yung beda sa isang tira lang per possession. And syempre, kailangan maka-convert sila on the other side.
Barba, footwork. So that triple moments ago may have got this guy going. He's a former juniors MVP just like yourself, Prince.
Yes, and makikita mo naman dun sa moves na mga ginagawa niya. Simula kanina, tinatry talaga niya. Tinatry niyang buhatin yung team. Pero ngayon pa lang siya nakakakuha ng break.
Tagle missing. Guadagna. Oh, fakes the three! Mac Guadagna! And the LPU fans are coming alive as the Pirates are making a run here in the second period. Sanbeda calls a timeout.
This is our league, this is our moment. Sa puso mo, the sky is the
Medyo mabilis siya sa position niya.
Mga may agility siya. May bounce
Yes.
din. Itong si Umali. It's a nice move from Enoch Valdez. Ang sunog
Yes.
provided by Enoch Valdez. Ito yung mga play natin kanina. Enoch Valdez, the crossover.
Let's take a look at this move right here. Mac Guadagna, known as a three-point shooter, disguises the shot, decides to drive.
Alam mo,
Basket.
Anton, hindi mo mapagkakaila yung ginawa ng depensa. Shooter siya eh. Anong bibilin sa'yo ng coach mo pag may shooter ka na kalaban? Make him a penetrator. Make him a driver. Ngayon, he did his part. Kailangan lang magkaroon ng help sa ilalim. Kasi it's better for him to drive rather than to take those shots. Kasi he's known for that. And alam natin na nasushoot na yun. So yun yung mga bagay na hindi napapansin pero malalaki in terms sa mga scouting ng mga teams.
And credit to Guadagna as well for recognizing that the defense knows the scouting report on him. So he made the adjustment.
What a wonderful read.
And as you said, LPU with the familiar full court press.
Nagpapainit lang pala si coach kanina. Kung mapapansin mo kanina, napapatayo na si Coach Gilbert eh. Nagsasabi na yan. Kailangan na natin iparamdam yung depensa natin. Sabi ni Pritz. Eto na. Oh!
You were just talking about it. Guadagna. Wow. And now, Barba and Guadagna breathing life into this LPU Pirates squad. 8 points for Maclod Guadagna. Kalimat. Gonzalida. Tatle, short. Barba. Off the glass. No. And LPU is able to draw a foul.
You have to commend itong LPU. Despite being down how many points kanina with a 20-2 run, makikita mo sila kung gano'n naman. Sila naman ngayon ang composed sa depensa. Which binibigyan nila talaga ng napaka-hirap na time itong Sanbeda para ibaba yung bola. Kasi bago mo maibaba, pagod ka na. Pagdating mo sa baba, pressure it ka ulit nila, i-deny nila yung mga papasahan mo. Paano na? Bago ka maka-attempt, ubos na yung shot clock.
One of 7 new additions to this LPU Pirates squad for season 100, John Dave Panelo. Short on the second free throw. And Gonzalez returns. Uno. Mayosi. Binigay dito kay Gonzalez. Gonzalez pulls up. Villegas.
One shot, Anton, one shot.
Chipping away. Possession after possession. slowly but surely for the LPU Pirates.
Yan yung sinasabi nila na hindi mo pwede madaliin yung success. It takes time. And syempre, kailangan din ng effort. Kailangan mo din ibigay talaga yung best mo para makuha mo yung success na hinahanap mo. Hindi lang sa basketball, in life.
San Beda was up by 20 points moments ago, 31-11. Guadagna pulls up. Baclon Guadagna with 11 points. He is on fire.
Again, yung nabanggit mo kanina na reads niya. Alam nila yung scouting report sa kanya kaya inaatake niya. After dalawang atake, sinubukan niya ulit sa labas. And syempre nahulog kasi yun naman siya talaga.
Meanwhile, RC Kalimag drains the fadeaway. Pull up three, missed. Gonzalez with a board. And Gonzalez is fouled.
That's a good foul.
Baclon Guadagna playing in his 4th season for the LPU Pirates. Pulls up for three, nothing but the bottom of the net.
That's a very tough shot. Going left, step back. Siyempre, as a player, nasubukan ko yung mga ganong klase ng tira. And yun yung mga klase ng tira na wala ka ng legs bago mo maibato yung bola sa ring. So maraming adjustments yun. And it really takes yung specialty. Mastery mo dun sa skill.
Payosing. Andrada throws it out to Gonzalez. 6 on the shot clock. Puno. Short. Another stop for LPU. Panelo, hands in the air. And Payosing taps it towards the way of Jomel Puno.
If ako si Coach Gilbert, gustong-gusto ko yung napapanood ko ngayon. Unang-una dahil isang attempt lang yung nalilimit ko sa kalaban ko per offense. And at the same time, pagdating dito sa baba, nakukuha natin yung shots na gusto natin. Although may mga misses tayo, pero those are good shots. And yun yung mga shots na hindi mo ipagpapapalit.
Montaño, 3 for 3, unable to capitalize. Babalik ang bola sa mga bedista. Payosing. Spin move. Andrada. Easy does it for the team captain of San Beda. Yukian Andrada with 8 points in the ballgame.
This is our league, this is our moment. Sa puso mo, the sky is the limit. Harap na, masama sa
Guy on the floor. This was up against one of the tallest, Enrique Corteza.
Hindi natakot itong si Kyle na alam na kahit na kaya siyang bantayan ni Corteza. Talagang yung mindset niya, look to attack talaga siya.
Payosing, spin move. What a getaway by James Payosing.
Isaan ko doon.
The San Beda University Red Lions won their 23rd men's basketball crown in season 99. And it was an interesting journey for them because they weren't favored during that year. Elimination round 12 and 6. They were actually at a twice-to-beat disadvantage in the Final Four against LPU.
And syempre, yung San Beda, para sa akin, never ko sila nakita as underdogs. Doesn't matter the lineup, maraming bago, maraming luma. Never ko sila nakitang underdogs dahil sa sistema na meron sila through the years. And alam naman natin kung gaano kaganda talaga yung basketball program nila, na capable sila with such feats.
First assistant coach, Dre Santos. And of course, third-year head coach, champion coach, Yuri Escueta, who is also a former San Beda Red Cub and champion as well, playing for the late and legendary coach Ato Badolato.
Yes. Atoba, Coach Atoba Dolato.
I'm sure he is up there in the heavens smiling at what his former player point guard has been doing, continuing his legacy as the head coach of San Beda.
And syempre yung na-build niya na program ng San Beda na patuloy pa rin nilang ginagawa and patuloy pa rin silang masasabi mo na napakataas ng standard na nabuo nila.
Sahonia, 8 points in the first quarter.
Tingnan mo kung gaano ka-relax yung Sahonia. Kahit na pinipressure siya, grabe. Hindi, yan yung experience na sinasabi. Katulad nung nabanggit mo kanina. Yan yung experience. Hindi siya talaga parang rookie. Very composed.
Looking at this lineup right here, with Payosing, Puno, Gonzalez, Andrada, and Sahonia,
This is it.
alam mo yung sinasabi nilang death lineup?
Ito na yung lineup
Ito
na
yun eh.
makikita mo sa dulo. Pag yung sinong ilalagay ko na pangdiinan? Ito na yun. Itong liman to.
2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining in the first half. Konanan, fourth-year point guard. Barba. Montaño with 8 on the shot clock. Montaño, too strong. Gonzalez with the board, and he was fouled by Aviles.
Eight points pa yung lamang. Mabuti na lang at nakaipon sila ng medyo malaki-laking lamang ng first quarter. No? Meron silang space para makapag-experiment. Again, nabanggit mo, Anton, na ito na yung death squad. Death 5. Ito na yung gagamitin mo pagdating ng dulo, pangdiinan. Second quarter pa lang nilabas na ni Coach.
But Prince, looking at the rotation of Coach Yuri Escueta, he has used 14 players already here in their very first game.
Siyempre, nagkaroon ka na ng medyo sizable na lead. Bibigyan mo rin ng chance yung mga players mo na makapag-showcase din ng mga talent nila. And para sa akin, based na nakita ko dito sa first half natin, okay naman yung naging outcome nung mga players na naipasok ni Coach. With 14, 14 yung naipasok niya. Masasabi ko naman na good decision. And bihira para sa Coach yung gumamit ng 14 players yung hindi pa natatapos yung half.
Wow! Halos malunod na si Gonzalez sa depensa. But Gonzalez able to hang in the air, maintain his balance and score. Payosing with a steal. Payosing to Nigel. Sahonia. Now Omar Gordon is defending Sahonia. And you can see that, like Jacob Cortez in season 99, Sahonia has the green light.
Bihira para sa isang rookie ang magkaroon ng ganong green light. Pero nabanggit mo rin kanina na hindi na siya rookie. Hindi na pang rookie yung laro niya. Napaka-composed na player. Nagagawa niya yung mga gusto niyang gawin on offense and siyempre sa defense din. And hindi yun madali.
Konanan. Triple too strong. Puno snatches the rebound. Gonzalez to Puno. Puno, wow! The burst of speed and the strides.
The athleticism. Yan yung masasabi ko na hindi ko na-experience. Yung athleticism.
Our new NCAA Commissioner Oji Bernarte. overseeing the first game here in NCAA Season 100. Jomel Puno, 6'6", Phil Canadian from Toronto, Canada. He led the team in double-doubles. Last year, he had 6 double-doubles. And it's hard to get a double-double in the collegiate level.
Yes.
Unless, of course, you're a foreign student athlete who's like 6'6" or 6'7".
Who plays like a guard but has the height of a big man. Yan yung sinasabi ko sa iyo ng mga pagbabago sa mga athlete nowadays compared sa mga athlete natin before. Yung mga athlete before, hindi sila ganyan ka-slender. Pero yung ngayon, grabe yung athleticism na meron sila. Again, babalikan natin yung mga trainings, yung mga workout regime na very scientific na talagang tailored para dun sa klase ng build mo. Na mamamaximize mo yung meron ka.
Brian Sahonia, 9 points already in his NCAA debut. He currently leads the Red Lions in scoring, and he breaks into double digits. What a debut. (42-29) in favor of the defending champions. Guadagna. Sahonia. Will they go for a 2-for-1?
Oh!
Yes, they will. Brian Sahonia.
Bihira mo yan makita sa college yan, 2-for-1.
Conanan. Bravo. Offensive rebound para sa mga Pirata. Guadagna. Nowhere to go. And that will do it for the first half. The defending champions, Sun Betting University Red Lions, making an early statement as they lead the host school, the LPU Pirates, 44-29. You're watching our live coverage of NCAA Season 100 right here on GTV simulcast on Heart of Asia.
This is our league, this is our moment. Sa puso mo, the sky is the